Hello, welcome to the unboxing of the OnePlus 12. Just got this in the mail today, and I did the pre-order, so I actually got a free wireless charger, 50-watt wireless charger with it, so I'm going to open that first. This is, I think it's called VOOC charger or something. It used to be called Warp charger until they got into it with somebody, a lawsuit or something, and had to change the name, so now it's called VOOC. I don't even know how to spell it, but go ahead and open it. It's wrapped in plastic. This is the charger I'm opening right now, the wireless charger. This is normally $50 if you're curious. And it's a 50-watt charger. Alright, took the top off. Okay, it's kind of displayed nicely. It's like a wireless charging stand. Yeah, so you set your phone right on it. This one is white. I don't know if it comes in any different colors, but that's the one I got. And under it, there's a book, another book, a cable. It's a USB-C to USB-A cable, but no brick. So I guess you have to find your own brick somehow that's capable of 50 watts. To be fair though, OnePlus, unlike other manufacturers, still includes a charger in the box, which you'll see in a minute. So just to describe this, there's two rubber feet on it that go across horizontally, so one across the front, one across the back. Of course, this is on the bottom. And then the part that you rest your phone on is at about a 20, let's say 35-degree angle. I'm going to set that aside and get to the main reason we're here. This is the OnePlus 12. Now, I don't think this has tabs to pull, so get out my good old-fashioned knife. Cut one side and get the other side. Alright, got the top off. There's nothing in the lid portion. Sitting on top is the sort of cardboard thing that has, let's see what it has. It's got, wow, this is all just books and stuff. I was expecting a cable or something, but it seems it's just, okay, there's a little adapter also, OTG adapter that you could very easily miss. It's kind of hidden away in there. Let's see. Put it in there. The rest are just books and a SIM ejection tool. I think. Let's see, I haven't found it yet. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. I don't know what all this stuff is. A lot of cardboard and paper. Okay, there's the tool. So I'll just leave this on top in case I need it. And then under all that, of course, is the phone. I'm going to set it aside for a second. See what's under the phone. So the phone is in a little tray. I'm going to set that tray aside. There is a giant charging brick. It's obviously, well, I guess it's not obvious, but it has a USB-A port on it for charging. It's large because I think it's 100 watts. And then it comes with a cable that I'm assuming is red because OnePlus is famous for their red cables. And now this is the obvious part. It's USB-A to USB-C. So kudos to OnePlus. Charger, not only a charger in the box, but a very fast charger in the box. Of course, if you don't want to charge it fast, you don't have to use this charger. You can use any USB-C charger. Now to the phone. Okay, it's heavy. Warren would like this one. He likes heavy phones. Okay, it's got a sticker on the back. Get that off. Okay, the camera module is huge. It's round. So I'll describe the back first. It's got a matte. It's got a matte finish to it. It doesn't. I don't know what it's made of, but it feels nice. It doesn't feel like glass. I thought it was glass, but oh, the phone is on somehow. Okay. You turned off the screen. That got turned on at some point during my unboxing, but I just hit the side key to turn off the screen while I describe it. Yeah, the back has a matte feel to it. The camera bump, if you want to call it that, is huge. It's circular. I guess it's about the size of like the top of a can of soda. And it's located near the top left of the phone, and I think to the top left of it is the flash. Because it's round, there's a little room to the top left of it in that corner. The shape of the phone is well, I wouldn't say completely, but almost completely flat on the top and the bottom. But on the sides, it's still a little round. It's not as round as like the S23 Ultra, or I should say the S22 Ultra used to be. I guess it feels more like the S23 Ultra. It just starts to curve right near the edge. But the edges are, the sides, the left side and the right side are round. They're not flat. I guess OnePlus didn't get the memo that everybody was copying Apple this year and making their phones flat on the on the edges. So, along the right side, we have, and this is different this year, the volume keys near the top, and under that is the power button or side key, whatever you want to call it. In last year's model, the volume keys were on the other side. Speaking of the other side, now that's where, on the left side, the switch is for the mute switch. Along the top, it just feels like there's a microphone, and that's about it. And then on the bottom, looks like there's a USB-C port in the middle, obviously. Maybe a SIM tray to the left of that, and a speaker to the right of that. So, since this is already on, I'm going to power it up. Now, I'm assuming I'm on the setup screen. I'm going to press and hold two fingers, see if that does anything. Still holding. I'm not even sure what screen I'm on, obviously, but that's not doing anything. I'm going to try the volume keys now. Press and hold them. Okay, I felt the vibration.
Release the volume keys. To turn on talkback, press and hold both volume keys again for 3 seconds.
Alright, I'm going to do it again.
Talkback on. Welcome to Talkback. Welcome to Talkback. Page 1 of 5. Talkback is a screen reader intended.
I'm backing out of that.
Scanning for a QR code. Allow Android Accessibility Suite to send you notifications. Allow. Button.
Allow.
Scanning for a QR code. Heading. Front camera. Button. Switch camera. Double tap to activate.
I guess I'm supposed to scan a QR code or
Scanning
something.
for a QR code. Heading.
Let me see if I can back out of this.
Startup wizard.
Okay.
Hello.
Back at the startup.
Next. Image.
I just want to see if this has like the quick setup.
Hello. Next. Image.
Or not.
Startup wizard. Accessibility. Double tap to activate. Select language. Select the default language for your system. English. Selected. Radio button. In Catalan. Not selected. Radio button. Next. Button. Out of list.
I'm gonna hit next.
Settings. Select region.
Gotta select my region, I guess.
United States. Not selected. Radio button. In list. Selected. Continue. Button. Out of list.
Hitting continue.
Double tap to activate. Startup wizard. Legal information.
Let me turn this up a little bit.
User experience program optional.
Actually, I'm gonna turn it up all the way to see how loud it
Accessibility
gets.
volume set to 85%.
Okay, that has good speakers on it.
User experience program optional.
Okay.
User
At
privacy
least
protection.
as far as I could tell from a
Double
TTS.
tap to activate. Back button.
Let's see.
Back button. Double tap to activate. Back button. Back. User agreement. Windows Startup Wizard. Double tap to activate.
So I'm gonna hit next. I've agreed to all this.
Startup Wizard. Connect to a mobile network.
Let's see if I can skip this.
Next button. Back button. Use eSIM. SIM2. Gestures. Image. Insert a SIM card if you have one. Connect to a mobile network. Next button. Back button. Next button.
I'm just gonna hit next.
Wireless settings. Connect to Wi-Fi. Select a network.
Okay, so it looks like I'm gonna have to sign into my network. I just wanted to see if it gave you the option to quick pair like Pixels and Samsung devices do, so that you don't have to put in any of this information. But it doesn't look like that's the case. So I'll end the unboxing here. I don't want to bore you with the setup. But again, thank you for listening.